Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into episode 373, Where to Find New York Mugshots. 2025. If you're curious about accessing public records like mugshots in New York State, you're in the right place. Whether it's for genealogical research, journalism, or personal reasons, we'll break it down step by step. But remember, laws around public records can change, so always check for the latest updates, especially as we head into 2025. First off, let's talk about why mugshots might be available. In New York, mugshots are considered public records under certain circumstances, but access can vary by county and recent privacy reforms. Start with official sources for the most reliable information. The New York State Unified Court System website is a great place to begin. It offers access to court records, and you can search by name, case number, or location. Many county sheriff's offices, like those in New York City or upstate areas, maintain their own online databases where mugshots are often posted. For a more streamlined search, check out third-party sites like the New York Department of Corrections and Community Supervision, DOCCS, portal. As of 2025, they might have enhanced digital tools for public access, but be cautious, these sites could require verification or have restrictions. Another option is public record aggregators like LexisNexis or BeenVerified, which compile data from various sources. However, these often come with a fee and aren't always up to date, so verify the information through official channels. Now, a quick how-to. Gather the person's full name, date of birth, and the county of the arrest to narrow your search. Head to the official site, enter your details, and follow the prompts. Keep in mind, not all mugshots are publicly available due to laws like the New York SHIELD Act, which protects against exploitation. Always use this information ethically and legally. In 2025, we might see more advancements, like AI-driven search tools or stricter privacy controls, so stay informed. If you're struggling, consider reaching out to local libraries or legal aid for guidance. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on public records. See you in the next video.